You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. The R36s is one of those devices that had a lot of cool things to it. First of all, it comes at a very nice price point and you can play so much different games on this. You can even configure the software. In the end, I did an in-depth video about it, what you can do and what you can do. But in this video, I just want to focus on some Sega Dreamcast. Because Sega Dreamcast, I've noticed some people asking me how they will run on this. So that is what I wanted to check out today, just to see how far we can push this device and is it any good. Of course, we can also mess around with the settings if you need to have emulator settings. And again, I messed around with it. We did have some better performance with some of the games, but still, we do have some struggles. Because in the end, for the money you're paying for it, it's absolutely amazing that we can even run Sega Dreamcast nowadays. Another thing you also need to take consideration, depending on the updates, there are so many different ways you can tweak this. But so far, so good. Also, two-dimensional games will run way better than three-dimensional. That's the reason I just wanted to grab a couple of them and just check it out. Alright, next up, let's choose my team. I'm always playing Wolverine, and of course, we're going to have the Hulk. I do switch out the Hulk sometimes, but this is my team I mostly love to play with.
Clans tell tales of him. Few know the truth. He was mortal once. I would choose oblivion over this existence.
The choice is not yours.
I am destroyed.
You are reborn. The birth of one of Cain's abominations traps the essence of life. It is this soul that animates the corpse you lived in. And that, Raziel, is your hatred to reave their souls. I can make it possible. Become my soul reaver, my angel of death. These gates twist space, laying a path across great spans.
Loading.
Hey, it's time to make some crazy money. Are you ready? Here we go!
Hey, taxi!
Just leave it.
Go to the department
I got
store.
it! Hang on!
Taxi! Hey, cabman! Go
Hang
straight!
on!
Oh, yes!
Yo, cabin!
Taxi!
Yo, cabin!
Make a left!
I got it! Time bonus!
Thanks! Wait up! Pick me up!
Hey, over here!
Hey, park closer! Take me to H&B!
I got it! Hang on! Hang up! Time bonus! I always do better! See ya! Hop in anytime!
Alright, so this is actually what we're having when it comes to Sega Dreamcast overall performance. When testing out a couple of games, you will see that some of the games are playable, for example Giga Wing, less demanding, but also when it comes to, let's say, the Marvel's Capcom game, pretty damn awesome, but with some glitches here and there. So for the money, I think we cannot really complain because we're not paying a lot, we're just even not paying a lot for this device. And when you're looking at a couple of years ago, we couldn't even play, or at least like barely play PlayStation 1. Let me know in the comments what do you think of the R36s. Thank you all for watching, consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and it would be great to see you in the next video.